today we're going to continue the form. In the previous class we have also discussed the form, but right now today we are also going to further do more work on a form. If you remember in the previous class what we have done with the forms, we have designed a tab control over there. Along with that, some calculations on every form, separate forms we have created. Today we are going to create by a button, means our navigation form we are going to create. Buttons will be there. While you click on that, your cursor go to the another form. Okay. So first of all, I am going to here unhide those forms which are previously we have hidden. That was navigation option and show hidden form objects also. So you can see that these forms get hide. Right now I'm going to show that. Again, what I'm going to do, go over create one form, create form but a blank form. Okay, from a blank form I'm going to start, close that, and here go to the design view. Right now this is the design view of a form. What we need over there, here I'm going to create at the top some text, or first of all button, then I'm going to write some text. Here we're going to create 3-4 buttons. Okay, what this button will do, form operation. What operation will do? Open form. Form operation, open form. Which form you're going to select from here? Okay, it will open full-time employees form. Full-time employees form. Click on next. Here, open the form and show all the records. If you're going to select this one, so for all it is going to be shown. But this one, open the form and find specific data. I don't need specific data, I need full form. So I'm going to select the second option. Click on next. Here you need a button with a icon, or you need a text. I need a text. Okay, so button with icon or button with text. I need with text. Okay, click on next and finish that. What is the name of that? Is command 0, and you can change the text to the full employees, open full-time employees form. Okay, so if you're going to click on this button, that form is going to be open. You can increase or decrease the size. Another one button I'm going to create same like that, and that is another one. So how I'm going to do that? Create a button, and these are some built-in operation which you're going to perform. Built-in operation, form, this one here, form operation. Which operation? Open form. Click on next, and which form you're going to select? Half-time employees form. Remember that. Okay, is the half-time employees form. Click on next. Yes, select this one. Next. Here you need a text. If I want to write a text here, also possible. I'm going to write a text here, also possible. So what do you want? Yeah, this is a caption. This is button caption. You can change the caption of the button, and I want to change that. Open. This is a which form? Half-time. Half minus employees. Here, click on next and command button, finish. Right now you can see that this button has been created. Third one I'm going to create same like that. Click on button, and that is contract we have created or not. I'm not sure about that, but I'm going to check it out. Form operation, open form. Click on next, and which form? Here, hourly. Okay, hourly employees form. Click on next. Click on next. Here, hourly employees form. Click on next and finish that. So 3 buttons I've created. Right now, one thing more. If you have a contract employees, you can also create that. But I'm going to arrange them. Okay, I need a contract employees also. Why? Because it's necessary. If you have seen, we have created a query for that contract employees. We have a query. Just check it out. If you have a query, contract employees query. See here. No, contract employees query is there. Okay, so just click on create and form for this query. Form for this query. So form and multiple items. Okay, created. just go over to design view, and I want to size slightly decrease, and the size of the text I want, this is going to be decreased. ID, registration number slightly, employee name, okay, ID, department ID, it is a small, status, full-time, half-time, hiring date, and year of experience. I've told you what I need, just experience, not year of. Remove that, and last one is the salary. Okay, form created, design completed. Go to down here and decrease this one also. Okay, quite enough, and decrease the size also. Just save this. Alt F, no sorry, Control W while you're going to save this one. So it asks from you. So that is contract employees form. Click on OK, done. Right now this form is also created. I'm going to create one more button and create a form for that button. And here this is go over form operation, form, open form, click on next, and that is a contract employees form. Is there or not? Click on next, and here next. If you're going to write text here, okay, if you miss that, if you miss the text, you can see that. So what I'm going to do, you are going to go to the properties again. Okay, so properties of that, and here right now caption of that is going to be changed. Okay, caption of that is going to be changed. So right now I don't need a picture. Okay, what I need for this one, I need a text. So you can also insert a text. How? Again, look over here, steps. Button created, form operation, here open form, click on next, here contract employees, click on next, here this one, click on next. Right now select text only, click on next, and command 4, finish. Right now just simple text is there, and what I'm going to write here, open, that is contract employees form. Okay, right now button created. Oh, I have not entered that, sorry. I'm going to, okay, created, but here increase its size, therefore it's not visible. Right now if you can see, the alignment and the size of these buttons are not same. Alignment and size of these buttons are not same. Select all. What are you going to do? Go over to the arrange. First of all, arrange to the left side. Arrange. Right now I need the size should be same, and the side widthwise or heightwise. So if you can see here, there's a button that I need that in widthwise their size should be same. Not here, I think so. It is this one button, increase or decrease. This is increase, and this one is, no sorry, this one size is going to be adjusted. Size becomes same or not? So by clicking this button, all size become same. Okay, right now at the top I want to write some text here. So what text you're going to write? Design, and here I need a text. So for text you can use label or text box, both, but label is better for writing some text which is permanent, so you can use label. Here that is all, here form navigation. It is what? Form navigation. And form navigation. Okay, so this is form navigation. Increase the font size. Click outside, click over here. Font size can be increased from here or not? Just 26. Yes. Bold also, and you can change the color of these things. Okay, I need some more. If you want to furthermore design that, you can change the color of the background or these things. I want to change the color. Here back color FFF is there. I want to change to the text light or some more of this one, back color. Okay, even other data format, you can see that these are the settings. So one by one you can change that. Okay, so if you go over there, you can directly change that. Next one here is just preview. Enemy core make on and make on our preview ko F5. Okay, so open full time employees. Enemy full time employees form was kada na control W. Half time employees, yes. Hourly employees, yes, working. And last one is open contract employees, so that is also working. Clear? That was by button, easy, by click. Okay, right now we are going to do by another way. This is one way. Another way I am going to do also. So close that. Yes, save that. By what name you are going to save this thing? This is form navigation. Form navigation by buttons. Okay, by buttons. Click on OK. Done. One created. Another one I am going to do that. Another one we are going to create a form. Just concentrate on this one. Okay, form by design, a simple form we are going to create. This is empty form, but this is more interesting. Okay, just concentrate on this one. It is more interesting here. First of all, what I am going to do, I am going to create one frame. This is what a frame, option group. Okay, basically it's the frame like created. In that you are going to create some options. Okay, so in this frame, what label you need in this group? Basically, this is a group. Which items you need? First one, I need a full-time employee. Full-time employees. Second one, here, tab it. Second one, half-time. Third one is hourly. And fourth one is contract. Here, write form here, because I want to open a form. Okay, and last one I need here. Click on next. Right now you need that 4 option. It is going to show what 4 option. Bonemi ya select me kune ek button click me kune onami form was measure. So yes, iragam. You can see this one or not? So right now it is asking that you are going to select a default value. As khud yak select awal mesha na mesha. No. I need no form is going to be selected by default. I am going to select a form and then it's going to be open. If I am going to select no, I don't want a default value. Okay, I am going to click and then it will show that. Okay, click on no default value, click on next. But enemy number say kudam numbers yaad me video. Okay, yaad me get enemy. But full time employees kudamas here 1, half time 2, hourly employees 3, and contract 4. Remember that. Okay, click on next. Here you need that it is going to be shown option button ya check mark, tick mark. So that is option button. Okay, here checkbox or toggle button like previously we have created. No, I need what? Option button. But chorta yak select me animation. Okay, so I need first one, option button. So select option button. Right now you need the style of that. You need the style of that is a different. These are different style for this. If you're going to see here, I need a shadow like. This one is better as compared to the other or not? This one is better as compared to the other. Okay, click on next. Here, remember this name because it's too much useful. Frame 0. Okay, we are going to use this thing in a coding. Frame 0. Click on finish. Yes. Frame created or not? Right now, we are going to create one button. Awal bachort option hai yag option select mesha button click me kune onami form was mesha. So yes, or a button jod me kunam look over here and click a button here and one is show form. Okay, click on cancel. Click on what? Cancel. Right now, what this is? Open or show. Okay, slash. I am going to write both. open slash show form. Another one is close button. Here I'm going to use close button here. Exit. Okay, these two buttons I've created right now. Mostly the coding is on this button, but what is the name of this? Frame. Go down frame. Frame 0. Okay. One label I need that for designing this thing. Here, select one of the form of the option in a frame and click on the open button. Okay, I want to increase the size of this because its font size is small one. Okay, and bold also I need this thing, text bold. Done. Okay, and you need furthermore. Okay, I need a rectangle or these things also possible. If you need a line or these things, look over here. I'm going to draw one line here. You can see that a line can be drawn. Increasing the size of this. How are you going to increase the size? Clicking this button, and you can see the line has been created. Furthermore, if you're going to design more, so also some designs are there, just like I need a rectangle, okay, rectangle over there in this whole area. I need a full rectangle. Okay, border of that is I need big border created. You can see that. So well designed form has been created. Furthermore, if you're going to give color or these things also possible, but I'm not coming over. I'm talking about the coding. Okay, I'm going to run this form F5. And by default kudam awal select boot. By default kudam awal select boot. Na boot. Okay, so here you're going to select one or enemy button click me go enemy form automation. All each coding names. Behind that no operation is there, no macro is there. Right now I'm going to create a macro for that. Chirakam, go to the design mode again or design view. Here, right click on this button. Remember the Bahadur enemy yag, do, say, ochar. So I'm going to go over, right click on that, build event. What I'm going to do? Build event. Click on build event, macro builder. Right now we're going to do with the macro builder. Next time we're going to do with a code builder. Okay, macro builder. Click on OK, and you can see that macro. This is macro operation open. Macro operation open. Okay, in a macro, basically what we're going to do, that if somebody click on this button, which operation is going to be performed? Build in. There are some built-in operations that are known as a macro. Here, if I'm going to click on anyone, open form. This is a simple open right here. Open form. Go down form automation. You're going to select from here. Open form argument, and the form is going to be selected from here. Go down form here. Let's suppose if I'm going to say full-time employees. Says all my enemy call kari yak form was mission. Yak form was mission. Control W. Look over here. I'm going to do that. Here I'm going to do that. F5. Go down select me gone. Each mushkil nahi. Ira click me gone here. Go down form was should. Full time, but I don't need like that. I need which one I'm going to select, that one is going to be open. So what I'm going to do here, if I'm going to select hourly employees and open form, no. So here there are multiple options. By yag button chorta kor mein guna. Yag button chorta kor mein guna. Namiche rakam jod mein I'm going to do that. Okay. Go over to design mode. Right click on that. Go over to the build event again macro. Here we are going to use conditions. What are we going to use? Condition. Here, click on condition. All एक bayak button चौथा condition जोड़ने हैं. क्या condition enemy boss और enemy core में करना. क्या enemy boss और enemy core में करना. क्या enemy boss और enemy core में करना. कुदाम condition frame. वो frame चीज़ select us. Okay, so that our frame norm चीज़ frame 0. So निश्चित को frame 0. FRAM. Frame 0 is equal to what? Okay, I'm going to verify that this name is changes. Okay. FRAME frame 0. The name. Remember that. Okay, because if name is not correct, so you cannot do that. frame 0. Open form, go to the condition right now. frame frame 0 is equal to का frame 0 याग बॉशा means वो option याग select us in any button check और में को ना our contract implies open no full time implies open so in just select को open form says open form को down form full time implies in just select mission okay so you're going to select full time employees here का frame 0 chi do bosha okay so it is going to do half time but inside that it is going to be start with 1 okay I'm going to check that frame 0 is equal to 2 kuchi mein ko na open form ko down form I'm going to select from here half time a second okay half time ka frame 0 is equal to 3 so what is going to be done open form go down form here hourly implies you can see this outside ki basiyam option kudamas unami hourly implies is yes okay and a frame 0 is equal to 4 so what is going to be done open form go down form contract employees form so that is contract employees form yes done just save that close so it will ask you to save yes save done right now check that it's working or not F5 previews okay full time employees open yes close hourly employee full half time yes half time employees form open if I'm going to select hourly employees form so click on this button hourly employees form has been open control W if I'm going to select contract employees form so contract employees form has been open understand this thing so if you want that this button or is going to perform multiple operation so by the help of what we are going to do macro and in a macro we are going to select a condition macro we are going to select a condition so firstly I'm going to repeat it firstly what we have done we have created what button we have created one frame inside that we have inserted options or we have inserted text options okay we have given values 1 2 3 4 to that next one we have created a button and in a button we have created a macro and right click over there build event and which type of macro this macro if frame 0 is equal to 1 but first of all we have activated the condition if you are not going to activate the condition one button will do one operation okay or means just one form will be open but if you're going to select a condition so one button can do multiple operations just like if agar enemy bosha ho enemy core mein karna agar enemy bosha enemy core mein karna just like that okay so I have selected a frame if frame 0 is equal to in frame 0 you have selected 1 so what is going to be done in a frame 0 you have selected 2 what is going to be done you can add another frame also so just like I'm going to do one more frame okay here but I should need a DBA student DIT student look over here these two tables are there or not queries are there check it out tables are available or not there's no table available okay I'm going to open table how in same area go to the design yes it is a design mode don't do this talk okay another frame I'm going to insert another frame this one yes and inside that I'm going to create two buttons okay one will be there is our DIT students DIT table and another one will be DBA and last one will be Dell student if I have written Dell student okay click on next 1 2 3 it will get the number 1 2 3 or not okay by default but you need one by default selected no we are going to select one of them okay so no if you're going to this one so automatically one will be selected Okay, but I'm going to do here which one will be selected. So but say yak ko select mein shakene. No, I don't need. So by default I don't need. Click on next. 1 2 3. For these values are what? 1 2 3. And frame name is okay. You want like that or I need a shadow? Okay. Option check mark or what? I think so option is better because from multiple we will select one. Okay. So click on next. Yes, done. And frame name is what? Frame 16. Frame 16. You can change to the frame 1 or frame 2, like it depends upon your choice. Okay, I'm going to write frame 2. Let's suppose frame 2. Now caption, but it's the 16. The name is 16. या को निशान में तो उन्हें caption us or original norm change शान डाले गिरफ्ता size, but I'm going to write 8 frame 16 so that it will be easy to understand that. Finish that. Another frame created or not? Okay, right now in this frame what I'm going to do, same in this I'm going to do another coding, and this I'm going to do another coding. Increase its size with the same. Okay, and this is just check it out. These tables are there. No, these queries are there. I've selected table, but okay, no problem. Queries are there. DBA student, DIT student, Dell students are available. No, okay, no problem. Here, I don't need Dell student. Delete. Option also. Okay, no need of that. Right now, go to the options and right click build event. Frame right now. I'm going to down here. Same conditions. Okay, frame. No, frame 16. Frame 16. Its name is frame 16. If you're not sure about that, no, don't say frame. So just go over there, clicking on this one. This is a frame. Okay, go to the properties sheet. What its name is 16. But you can change that. I'm going to change to the frame 2. Okay, right now I've changed the name. Into that, yeah, it got the name frame 2. It got the name frame 2. Oliver coding, Kudam frame is the further making it frame 2. So go to the option button of this button, right click, build event, and here frame 2 here is equal to 1. Oh, Kudam query was make on open open query. Open query is there or not? Right now, open query, open table, open form, open report. It can open each and everything inside your database. Okay, so all query was mentioned here. Which query? So you're going to select from here. Query name DIT student. I'm going to write here frame 2 is equal to 2. So open query and select DBA. Okay, done. Here nothing more, and data mode editable. Okay, save this one. Saved. Or check go F5. Here Barenemi kudam select me gone here DIT query was should okay, and control W here I am going to select this one DBA shagirda nishon mein tha yana mein tha all query was should and mera kam table was mein gona query was mein gona report was mein gona or digar form was mein gona. Guys, understand or not? So this is the use of this one. Okay, right now what I'm going to do here, save this one. Go to the design mode again. Here, this text I don't need to show this text. And I don't want to show this text. So go over design mode and delete this text. Okay, no text. Here, also this one. Once created, then after that do that. Okay, right now. While looking or not? Okay. Next one, I'm going to do this by coding. Button at the behind of button, how we're going to do a coding. At the back of the button, how we're going to do coding. Okay. So this one, I'm going to save that by name of what? Control W. This is option button. Form navigation. Form navigation, TION. Okay, done. Option button form navigation. Last one. Okay, how I'm going to create that? Here, first of all, go over create one form. Create a form, design form. Okay, means a simple form I want. Here, three buttons I'm going to create here. One or four button. One button, cancel. Second button, cancel. Third button, cancel. And fourth one button. Right now I'm going to write a VB code for that. Okay, Visual Basic code for that. Okay, size arrangement. This button will do which form? Open, full time, open full time employees form. Okay, done. Enter that. Increase its size. Here, this will open half time. And this one, hourly. And last one is contract employees. Okay, right now I'm going to do coding. I'm going to do coding for that. How? Clicking on that, right click over there, build event, and by code builder. By what? Code builder. Okay. So you're going to write command 0 button check or make. So what? Do CMD. This is what you're going to write. Do CMD dot open form, Kudam form. In inverted commas you're going to write inverted commas. Our Kudam form was megana. That is full time employees, and just check it out the name. The form have same name or not? Full time employees form. I'm going to verify that. Okay, before opening that, I'm going to verify that. Okay, how you going to verify that? Just go over, check it out. But table and full-time employees form, query form, full-time employees form, table name in MES. Here full-time space is there, employee space is there, and FORM. Okay, done. Check it out. Right now this working or not? Close that. Yes. F5. Run that. Yes. Okay. Okay. Same like I'm going to create for the others. Okay. So go over to the design mode. Okay. This view is a layout view. Go to the design mode. Right click on that. Go over to the build event, code builder, and this is half time. Open half time. So the table name should you remember. Okay. Do CMD dot open form. Okay, and in a brackets you're going to write which form? That is half time. But in a half time right now minus is there. Okay, so you're going to write minus half minus time employees invert commas close and enter that. Khalas, nothing more. Okay, so close that and check it out. Yes, hourly employees, right click, build event, and I'm going to create code builder. Click on OK, and I'm going to create hourly employees. So do CMD dot open form, and which form is going to be open? That is hourly. Yes, HOURLY, hourly employees. Employees S is there. Yes, form form. In inverted commas close, enter that, and check it out. The fourth one is contract employees. Okay, right click, build event, and go to the code builder, click on OK, and here write do cmd. Means what this button will do. Do cmd means what this button will do. What it will do, it will open the form, and after that inverted commas, which form will be open? Contract employees and form. Inverted commas close, and enter. Check it out. Right now close that and simply verify it is working or not. F5. Yes. Hourly employees, yes. Contract employees, yes. Okay, right now I'm going to design that slightly so that it looks more well and good. So go to the design view. Okay, write text at the top, label. Okay, what will be the code, or what you going to write here? And one line I know more need here. This is extra. Okay, and form navigation. I need form navigation here. Form navigation. Form navigation. Okay, so this code I have inserted. Right now I'm going to increase the font size. So go over, click outside once, and then click on that, and then go over, increase the font size to 20. Okay, so now 20 is quite more, and I'm going to make it 18. Okay, delete the text here. Oh, control Z here. This is not coming in one line. Yeah. Form navigation. Okay, so this one created. You can furthermore, I've told you a border or these things. Just select this one, increase the size of that. Yes, created. And size of this form also, I'm going to create that size of this form. Okay, and just preview that. F5. So looking better as compared to the other way or not. So this is how you're going to create by the coding, by the option button, by the macro, and directly by using a built-in button. Enough for today this thing. Inshallah. In next class we will discuss form furthermore. We're going to searching, and a lot of things are available with the forms.